Hello everybody, it's Letty with Living Life with Letty. In this video, I want to go ahead and do the second part of Vanessa'S van tour because we had left a lot of things out and I've gotten so many questions from you guys regarding her chair and her cooler. And so I decided, rather than having to answer all the questions individually, that I would do a quick video and Vanessa can explain all the dimensions of her chair and everything. But before I do that, I want to send out my prayers and my thoughts to all the people in Louisiana because of Barry. I hope that everybody makes it okay. This is just something terrible, and I really feel for those folks in Louisiana. And the other thing, I just want to give a quick shout out to a friend. He has a channel. His name is Nomadic Dane. And Nomadic Dane is from Denmark. And he has wonderful videos of Denmark. A lot of places that he goes. He's a nomad. He lives in his car. And we have become friends through our channels. And I would like, if you are inclined to do so, go visit his channel if you want to see some beautiful sights in Denmark. And now, my friends, let's go to Vanessa'S van. Okay, so hi, Vanessa.
Hi, how's everybody doing?
Good. Okay, so you want to answer some of the questions?
Yeah, I wrote down the dimensions. The base of the chair from wheel well to wheel well is 52 inches. That kind of surprised me it was that wide because that's 4 foot 4 inches. I'm a little out of breath because I hadn't gotten used to this altitude yet. The top part from the outside of the cushions on both arms is 60 inches wide, and the seat part is 33 inches wide. And a lot of people ask where I bought it. I got it at Big Lots, and I bought it simply because it was comfortable to sleep in. And I'll recline in it and show you. I can't show you the handle because it's in a dark spot, I don't think. It doesn't have the stick. It has like a handle that pops out on the side. It's about that wide. This is the sitting position, and it leans all the way back.
Oh, wow. That's nice.
That easy.
Very easy.
And if you like to hug up to a pillow or prop your feet up, or like you have to do when you have back problems, I'm aware of that.
Right.
And sometimes it's hard, according to how I'm parked.
Yes, yes,
hard.
I've found that.
Yeah, I can push it right down if I'm exactly level.
Yeah. That happens with my doors because my doors slide.
Yeah.
And if I'm parked facing forward, it's hard to get them open.
I can just get it right down, but if I'm a little bit uneven, it's hard to get it down.
That's right.
But it pushes right back into place.
And
I gave $499 for it, and like Big Lots so often does, it could go down at any time, or they could discontinue it at any time.
right.
But it is called a Strata Lounger, and that's about all I know about it. It's very comfortable.
It looks very comfortable.
Very comfortable.
Okay, and then there were some other questions on the cooler.
Okay, the cooler is a Lifetime. They sell them at Walmart, but I got it on eBay, and it's according to your area, the cost of it. And I gave $89 for it, and at my store in southern Indiana, it was 98, I believe, 97, something like that. It's a 55 quart, and it says 7-day extended ice retention. Now, when I came out here, I was telling you in the last video that my ice actually lasted like 10 days. I mean, there was just little slivers of ice, but it still kept it ice cold. But I also had big pieces of ice in there too.
Right.
So probably to say that it would last 7 days in normal summer temperatures, I know I'm going to start getting a block and put in there plus a bag of cubes or whatever.
And you also mentioned that the first time until you got it really cold.
Oh,
yeah.
Yeah. The first night I knew I was leaving the next day, so I put ice in the inside to get it cold. Probably about 12 hours. And when I came out the next morning, and it was super hot at my house too. And there was a little bit of water, not much, but I drained that out. But I know it helped to keep the temperature
Right.
colder, to last longer. And also, this is something I wondered about. Like if you have ice on one side, and it seems like you need to have your cans, your pop, and everything covered with ice to make it ice cold.
Right.
Because that's the only way I'll drink it.
Right.
But that's not true. If the temperature is evenly distributed through there.
Uh-huh.
So, like if you had a block of ice, and I would add some cubed ice too, even if your cans or bottles, whatever, are not completely covered, they're still going to be the same temperature as the ones that are right beside the ice, are covered with ice.
Right.
I just found that out.
And I noticed that it's grizzly bear proof,
Yes,
just like the Yeti.
It has, it's grizzly bear proof. It locks, and it's real simple. And it pops down. It has a bottle opener, and then it has a slot right here. You can put a padlock on there if you want to.
Great. Yeah. Well, that's very good. Well, do you think there were any more questions? Because I
think that's
about it.
all I can remember. Yeah, was the measurements. And some lady was asking, because she said she had to have something firm. This is, I'm sure, memory foam, but it is firm. I mean, it's spongy looking. I know it looks puffy, but it doesn't give a whole lot. Not back here.
Right.
It does up here.
Yeah.
But
No, it looks firm. Yeah.
But I mean, I've had some tremendous back problems, and it's just been wonderful.
That's
for me.
great. That's great to hear. Okay, well, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
And, it's been very nice that you twice helped us out. Okay, all righty. Well, I hope all your questions have been answered. And if you still have any questions regarding Vanessa's little van, go ahead and leave me a message down below, and we will try to answer it as best as we can. But until then, my friends, thank you so much for watching, and may the sun shine on you today and every day, especially on your solar panels. I love you. Bye-bye.